What's going on, YouTube? My name is Ty. My blog is thexking.com. Also, my YouTube channel is the X King. And today's video, I'm showing my earnings after being a partner for about 10 months now. And I'm showing my revenue stream and my traffic. And I do these monthly. I do these once a month. Make it a little bigger. Once a month, I show people how much, from a small YouTuber, how much money you can expect to make, and where I started from. So I started this channel just like everyone else did, from zero. I had no videos, no subscribers, but over time I keep adding videos, keep grinding, putting videos out. I got more subscribers, I got more views, I got eligible to be a partner, and then with the partner program, I wasn't making much anyway, but every month my money has gone up because I have continued to post more videos. So here I'm going to show you my revenue here. You see the monthly estimated revenue is $182, which is not too bad, but we go to revenue here, and so far, last month, this is December 4th, I'm shooting this video. But as you see, November I made $188 with AdSense revenue from my YouTube channel. In October I made 115, September I made 111, August I made 182, and July I made 74. So this is the last 6 months of revenue. So as you can see here, every month has gone up and up and up, and that's what I like to see. I like to see every month go up in revenue. Every month I want to make more money because I'm putting out more content. And as you see, November really took off on its own. So I heard that sometimes that the month of November, December are the most busiest times of the year for YouTubers to make money. So that could be an effect. I'll see in December, January, February my numbers are. But I do produce 3 videos per week, every week. Every week, 3 videos. I produce 3 videos. So after all those videos, that I produce, the more videos you put out there, the more money you make. So that's my common thing for anybody. And as you see, if I hit see more, we can see some more here. So I became a partner in February, and you see February I made $44. Okay, and then March I made 63, April I made 64. So every month it's always gone up. So in May I made 77, but in June one of my best videos got demonetized. This is when YouTube did the demonetize Apocalypse. At Apocalypse, what it went is demonetized a lot of people's videos. So one of my best videos to make money got hit. It was a green symbol, went to a yellow symbol, means demonetized or limited ads. That's why the big dip happens. So, but nonetheless, I kept on I kept on making videos. So even in June, I made $51. That next month, I made 74, then 82, then 11, then 115, then 88, and right now it was December 4th. I made $18 so far in December. So I hope, and I'm hoping that I will pass the 188, get 190 or $200 per month, and then from $200 on, be 220, 230, 240, and so forth. So that's what you can expect. And I got over 800 videos, and my videos don't get a lot of views. I do a lot of myself talking. I don't do a lot of videos. I do some Cody videos, or sure I do jailbreak your Fire Stick. I do cashback apps as well, help you save money. So I don't make a lot of money with my videos, but the one thing I do is I push out content on a consistent basis. So I got plenty of videos, and we're in December, right? When I'm watching the video, I got enough content to last me all the way to March. Already been timestamped. So I'm producing content right now. So I always produce content on a regular basis and stay ahead of the game. So $180 is not a lot of money, but to some people that pays their cell phone bill, that pays their water bill. That's groceries. That could put groceries for 1 or 2 weeks. it can pay a small bill. It could be gas money. That's enough gas money to last you a month in a car. It must be $450 on gas. That's your gas money for the month. So you don't got to pay that. So that $180 is still good money. So some tips on getting this far and keep on going. The number one tip to do is never give up. You know, you might not get no views now, but it took me. I was on YouTube since I don't know. I've been on YouTube for almost 6 or 7 years now, and I've always created content, but I never was monetized until I was monetized this year, 2019. And I hope I can show you that. I'm trying to see when I first started. Go here. Lifetime. So you see here, I started, you know, really I wasn't posting no videos, but as you see here, my timeline here, I was getting views. I started in 2015, you know, 4 years ago. I started 4 years ago on YouTube. I was getting, you know, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5 views, and then all of a sudden it just takes off over time. So it took me 4 years to make $180 a month. So that's no money. Okay, I don't mind doing YouTube because I like to keep doing something consistently. So here's some tips. Number one tip is start your channel today. Okay, start your channel and just find a niche you want to talk about and shoot videos. Number two, next thing we got to do is stay consistent. The reason I'm at this level here is because I was consistent in making videos, 3 videos per week. I was doing a video a day at one point, but there was too much content to put out there. I was, you know, had to think about and waste time on what I'm gonna do a video about. So I'm doing 3 videos a week. That give me enough time to timestamp the videos for the next month or so. I could write down videos to produce, and I have a list of 10 or 12 videos I could shoot at one time. And that's another tip too. Get you a block, get you a 5-hour window where you can sit down and cut 8 or 9 videos. And give yourself a schedule. I'm gonna do 1 video a week. I'm gonna do 2 videos a week. And you can shoot 8 videos, and that's a whole month worth of content. You can shoot 8 videos in a 4 or 5 hour span, and then timestamp those videos for the whole month or whatever, and you're good for the month. You could just chill for like a couple weeks, and during those weeks, on my phone, I have a notepad on my phone, I will write down another topic to do a video about during the week. So all the days go by, I have 8 or 9 videos to produce. Well, 8 or 9 videos would do a whole month's worth again. So within the 2 weeks of the month that's already been done, I'll shoot another 8, 9 videos. So now the 2 weeks I'm good on, and the following month I'm good on videos. So you want to stay ahead as much as you can. So my number one tip, start your channel. Number 2, get your publishing schedule and stick with it. Don't change it. Stick with it. It'll be a long haul, but stick with it. You do YouTube in your free time. Do YouTube while you're at home. You do YouTube videos while you're at work. When you're on your lunch break, your 30 to an hour lunch break, go to your car and shoot you a video. I shoot 95% of my videos on my cell phone. I take my phone, which is right here. I take my phone, I flip it around, I shoot me a video, go to YouTube, and we'll do YouTube. It's that simple. So there's no reason why you can't start a YouTube channel today. Get you an easy publishing schedule. You can have 2 or 3 kids. You have time throughout the whole week to shoot 1 or 2 videos. Stay consistent, make great videos, and I got my new webcam I'm using now. You don't have to use a webcam. My computer has a webcam, but I bought another one so I can use my Xbox, but you don't have to use a webcam. I use Filmora for my editing software, $60 one time. So the webcam is $30. So if you are a limited budget, use your cell phone, but hell, get your webcam. I'll link below the one I'm using from Amazon. It's $30. You can get, that's $30. You get you Filmora editing software for editing your videos. You want a nice professional look. It's only $60 one-time fee, so under $100 you can. And that's cheap. for $100, including your cell phone, you can start a YouTube channel for under $100. You need internet connection. You need a decent laptop because a decent power laptop. I'm using a HP Pavilion right now. I bought this year. It's an i5 Core i5 8th generation, so it's pretty strong. So you need a decent, strong laptop to get started. You don't have to, but to make editing better, you need a better laptop. But if you don't have a good laptop right now, don't even worry about it. Use what you got. Get the webcam. Get the Filmora if you need it. And if you can't use it right now, I mean, you can always buy it on one laptop and move it to the next one. Once you buy it, it's yours forever. So that's it in my video. Those are my tips for you to making money with YouTube. My goal was to make $500 a month on ad revenue on YouTube, and don't let YouTube be the only source of income. Let YouTube be a stream of income. Ad revenue is great too, but you should always do affiliate marketing with YouTube as well. You should be investing in your blogs as well, online services, investing in real estate and the stock market. You should also have other things making you money besides YouTube, because YouTube is very volatile right now. While I'm filming this video, they can take down your channel if they choose to, and then you could do about it. So keep that in mind as well. And so YouTube was great. I love YouTube, but I say start you 2 channels. Have 2 or 3 channels going. Have 3 or 4 blogs going. Buy some stocks. Invest in real estate as well. Invest in yourself. This YouTube is really cheap to run. I haven't really spent no money. For far as the webcam, I bought the computer for myself, but the computer was $650. So under $1,000, you could get your online business. I mean, I got me a laptop, which now for YouTube for my blogging as well. I mean, I got this camera $30, Filmora $60. This laptop, you could buy a good one for $400 or $500 and get rolling. So that's the end of my video. I want to put that out there for people to see. And thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video, like the video. And this is, I guess, 10 months worth of income, what you can do. Thanks for watching.